Do you feel like there aren't enough hours in the day to get everything done? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll be looking at 5 free online tools that can help you organize your life, manage tasks more effectively, and most importantly, boost your productivity. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or just looking to streamline your daily routine, these tools will help you make the most of your time. Let's start with Google Keep, one of the simplest and most efficient tools for note-taking and task management. It's completely free and syncs across all your devices. Google Keep allows you to create notes, to-do lists, and even set reminders. You can color-code your notes to visually organize different types of tasks. For example, I like to keep my work tasks in blue and my personal tasks in green. Setting reminders is easy. Just click on the bell icon, choose a time, and Keep will notify you when it's time to get things done. You can also label your notes for even better organization. This tool is perfect for those who need a simple but effective way to organize their thoughts and tasks on the go. Next up is Trello, a popular task management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you visualize your work. Trello is ideal if you prefer a visual workflow. Start by creating a board for a project or task. Then add lists like to do, in progress, and done. You can create cards for each task, move them between lists as you complete them, and add deadlines, labels, and checklists. One of the best features is how easy it is to collaborate with others. Invite teammates to your board, assign tasks, and communicate by adding comments to cards. Trello is perfect for project management, especially if you're working in a team. Now, let's talk about Notion, an all-in-one workspace where you can write notes, manage tasks, create databases, and even collaborate with others. Notion is incredibly flexible and customizable. You can create a simple to-do list, a calendar, or even a project dashboard. Let me show you how it works. Here, I've created a to-do list. You can add tasks, set priorities, and organize them into categories. But Notion is much more than a to-do list app. It can also be a database, a planner, or a place to write long-form notes. Notion offers tons of templates that make setup easier, whether you're managing personal tasks or planning a project. Plus, you can collaborate with others by inviting them to your workspace. If you're looking for a way to schedule your day and manage your time more effectively, Google Calendar is a must-have. Google Calendar is simple to use. Just click on a date, add your event or task, and set a reminder. You can also color-code different events to organize your schedule visually. One of the best ways to stay productive is time blocking, where you schedule specific blocks of time for focused work. For example, you can set aside 2 hours for a big project and prevent distractions. You can even set up recurring events, like a weekly meeting or daily exercise routine. Google Calendar will send reminders to keep you on track. Finally, we have Todoist, a popular task management app that's perfect for organizing your tasks and setting priorities. In Todoist, you can easily add tasks, set deadlines, and organize them into different projects. One of its unique features is the ability to assign priorities to tasks, so that you can focus on the most important ones first. Todoist is also great for breaking down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks. For example, if you're working on a big project, you can divide it into smaller steps, track your progress, and see what's coming up next. And there you have it, 5 free tools that can help you stay organized and boost your productivity. Whether you're managing personal tasks, projects, or a busy workday, these tools will keep you on track. Which tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on productivity and time management. See you in the next video.